All right, so today is Sunday, and I have gone through an interview with a organization related with data engineering, and there are set of questions which were asked into that interview. And today is like 14th of July, and like I'm making this video just for the purpose of sharing my knowledge or sharing my experience with wider audience, so that there is like a understanding among the all the data engineering aspirants that what is being asked in interviews and how we can prepare the interview. So basically, the set of questions which were I have gone through in the interview is related with firstly they started asking about my experience and what are my roles and responsibilities in my current organization. And after that, there are like technical set of questions started, and the discussion like as far as the discussion is going further, the main objective of them is to judge through the PySpark knowledge. They are requiring more into the PySpark, like they itself are saying that PySpark is mandatory for the data engineering person for the data engineering positions. Apart from that, PySpark, they are looking for a person which has experience into Python, which has experience into SQL, and these are the only things. These are the only experience that they are looking for. So in and actually also into the cloud also they are looking for a person who has a basic experience into the cloud, like not a specific cloud, not into any specific cloud technology, but open to the whether it's AWS, whether it's Azure. So, um, into like firstly they started questioning about the PySpark, that what is percentage FS FS and what is percentage SH, and basically what is the difference between percentage FS and percentage SH, and why we are using percentage run, and why we are using Dovetail notebook.run, and what are the difference between data frames and RDDs, and what are the broadcast variables, and what is repartitioning, and what is cache persist. So these are the basic bullet points which were asked in the interview. Uh, like I will be like covering these bullet points into the further upcoming videos, or will plan to make the videos so that they can cover all the set of information about it. And apart from that, the questions, the programming questions which were asked with me are related with find the smallest number into a list, and what is the difference, and how we can how we can how we can get the like distinct values from a list. So with the help of a set, we can with the help of a set, uh, um, like with the help of a set, we can get the distinct values in a list. And after that, there was a set of question like how we can without using the built-in function, how we can like reverse the array. Like if my name is Sharad, then I need to reverse the all the reverse my name, like if SHALABH, then BHALASHS. Okay, so these are the set of questions which were asked in interview. And basically this like then in this particular video, so I guess we I'm going to cover this that to find the smallest number into the list. So basically, with the help of a built-in function, anyone can perform the operation. So if I like uh, if I go through it, then how we can perform, right? So this is the basically the number. And if I go into this, that how we can perform the basic numbers into it. So I'm just printing it down. My smallest number, and I am giving it here number, so it will be giving me a minus 90. But this is like basic. Uh, this is like not acceptable in terms of whenever you are going for the interview. Here we are using the inbuilt function, which is like minimum min, and with the help of that, with the help of this, this thing is possible. Okay, so now it is visible, I guess. And if I like again go for if I again go for go for the finding a smallest number without using the any inbuilt function, then this thing could be I'm just defining a function that's like a smallest number, which is I'm giving a number over here, and after that I'm defining a logic that is smallest is equals to, firstly I'm like giving out that the first I'm assuming that the first position number itself is a the smallest number, and again like I'm checking it down that whether it is true, my assumption is true or not. With the help of a for loop I am checking it down that whether it is the smallest number or not. So with the help of for loop, I'm finding out in number like I'm not allowed to use any of these inbuilt function. So many of the person many many times we revolve around the using of length of the number, like we are looping x in a length of the number, but this is not uh, true in this case, which is not acceptable. So I am assuming that x in number. Why I'm like slicing around the indexes with the help of indexes. Like again, I'm saying that I have assumed that if the zeroth index number is the smallest number, so I'm not comparing. I'm not taking that number into the for loop. I'm taking the number which is at the first index of that number list of the numbers. And I'm now I will start compare if x is less than, because the smallest is already there. So if x is less than the smallest, then I will be assigning that I will be changing the value of the smallest as x. All right. So here I am giving that I'm returning I'm, I'm returning the smallest. It will give me the it will give me the all the iterations. With the help of this for loop, all the iterations will be covered, and with the combination of for and if, all the numbers get into the iteration, and with the help of a if loop, all the iterations numbers are compared with the smallest number, like we have assumed in this line. We have assumed that uh, this is the smallest number assumption. This is our assumption, and this is gonna be our assumption checking part. This is our assumption checking part. And now if I am taking this again, the number part, and I'm just going with the help of this. Okay, so I'm going through print smallest number and number. So let's see what is giving. It is giving me a 90. And if I'm checking number test and I'm just doing this, I'm just making it positive. And again, I'm all right. So again, I'm running it down. So it will give me. Okay, so just give me test. over here. So one is the smallest number in this complete list. It is like returning me a one. So this is how we can get the smallest number from a list without using any such variable. All right. So this is very pretty and very basic thing which every data engineer aspirant should know, that how we can perform such operations in a list, in a tuple, and in a dictionary. The data types and data types operations are very essential and very uh, must to go for my like my main objective is to cover all the things, all the data types, and all the set of operations among them, all the collection types, and all the set of operations. So this is all about in this. Let's see. Hoping around many more interviews will be scheduled mine, and many more things I can cover it up in the upcoming videos. Thank you.